Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna set it up. We still haven't got it activated, which is fine. I'm actually thinking of doing it tomorrow. I don't know if we'll be able to, but anyway, let's hope this thing has enough charge as well, because I charged it the first day I got it, but I haven't, up to 100 the first day I got it, but I haven't charged it since then. So let's hope there's still some charge in it. Oh yeah, alright. It's a good sign. And it's actually a laminated screen. Wow, I'm so not used to that. I can barely even notice the difference, though, I'll be honest with you. Searching, yeah, no sim. English, I guess. Select country or region. Wait, actually, I wanted to put a SIM card in it. Like an old one. So I've got some, I may as well use my newfound or new SIM tool that I got. Let's see here. How do I take this thing out again? There we go. Darn it. Go behind there. And also, I plugged it into the laptop, and 3U Tools said that it was running iOS 13.6. So I think that should be low enough, no service, where I can jailbreak it. We'll hope. It might just keep saying no service, which is quite possible, I suppose, because there isn't actually any service on the SIM card. Also, what percent? Oh, no, never mind. There we go. 1x. 4 bars of 1x. That's nice. All right, yes. United States. Yeah, we don't want that. Oh, 3G. We're moving up in the ranks. Oh, that's the fridge. Oh, I actually need to turn my hotspot on. So I'll have to cut the video then, because I think it's going to shut it off. Okay, so here we are with hotspot on. Tap that, and then obviously I got to input my passcode here. Not used to that little keyboard. I don't usually type on my iPod Touch. Look at that. It's interesting. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay. And then I'm going to kind of use both my iPod and this for, I don't know, probably at least a month. Oh, look, now it's saying Verizon. That's interesting. Oh, dipped down to 1 bar, though. That's interesting. Oh, there we go. Okay. Data and privacy. Okay. Oh, yeah. Let's do Touch ID. Okay. I love that vibrate. Not used to vibrate either. I haven't had a vibrate motor since my 5S. Touch ID is ready. Nice. Create a passcode. How about I just do the same on my iPad? Since I'll be using Touch ID and I shouldn't really need to use the passcode that often. Ah, jeez. I guess. Just want to make sure you got it right. What? transfer apps and data. Oh wow, you can do a lot of shit. No, I don't want to. Just do it right away. I want for my Apple ID. I did have a passcode on my iPod, you know, because obviously that doesn't have Touch ID, so I had to input the passcode every time. Verification. Oh fuck. Because now I'm gonna have to do this. Alright, well, here we're gonna have to cut the video again. Okay, got that. Also, it actually said near St. Cloud, which actually is quite right. Before, I would always say, like, near Minneapolis, or one time I think it even said, like, near Cincinnati or something. It was, like, way off. But, so I think they've definitely improved that, which is good. May take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID, you know. This is kind of boring. Also, is it just on like every 30 minutes or 30 seconds? I mean, the auto lock. I don't really want that, but or maybe I guess it might be okay on here. I don't know. On my iPad, I've never, because you know, like I'll leave it like a video playing, and sometimes it'll even do that. What? Oh, okay. Up to date. Okay. It's not gonna update one right away, is it? Hopefully not. Because I think it considers hotspot Wi-Fi, but I'm not plugged in though, so or locked. Oh yeah, this is nice. Little form factor. I like it. Miss it. This is kind of boring, isn't it? Most of the time it's just loading. This is yeah. Ah. And then I don't know like oh Siri. Yeah. Okay. Sure. I don't really go in there, but I mean it's like, yeah. It's kind of cool to see it. Yes, I like the light mode. Welcome to iPhone. Get started. And there we are. What the hell? It has to install all the system apps. What sense does that make? None. No. Oh, nice. Let's just make sure. Yes, 13.6. Let me put this here. Oh, okay. They have that now? I never use it anyway. I just got a notification on my iPad that says it's now being used on a new iPhone. Nice. Yes, we got the 128 gig. Nice. Also, let's look for the software update. Customize automatic updates. No. Alright. So I think that should be just about it. Hey, what the hell? Why does it have that? That makes no sense. I don't know why it's having to download all of these apps. Oh, wait, where's the battery percentage? General. Oh no, it's just in battery. Yeah, battery percentage. There we go. 74%. Nice. Interesting. But I think that's about it. Oh, I guess it carried that over from the Apple ID. Cellular. Alright. So I think that's about it. 2 minutes. Let's... Yeah. I don't need Bluetooth on. Wait, oh, it carried my AirPods over. Interesting. And then Wi-Fi I'll leave on since they don't have service on this right now. That just dipped to 67? Maybe the battery isn't as good in shape as I thought. Battery health, 86? That's not bad, I guess. Alright, so I think that's about it. Oh, I got the App Store installed on health. But yeah, I mean, obviously I'll move music down there, or I'll switch that out for text now. And I'll get, the Speedo app installed, and I suppose I kind of want to change the wallpaper as well. What is the home screen one? Oh, it's the same. There we go. Let me see. Wallpaper. Choose a new one. Oh, those are new. Those, the black dynamic ones. You can just choose black. Huh. Interesting. Oh, I see, like dark mode darkens it. Interesting. I think though those dynamic ones, I don't know. I thought they like lowered the battery. I don't know. Let's just pick one here, hey? How about the orange ones? Yeah, to match the case. I don't like the black though. Is there like a? I don't think there's a different one. Well, we'll set this as the. We'll set that as the home screen. Or. Yeah. And then we'll go, I guess, with this for the lock screen. And then I'll just leave these. It's not like I'm going to change these every month like I do my iPad, I don't think. I doubt it. So. Alright, I think that's where I will end this then. Yeah, let me wipe that off. Darn it. Oh, and it's got the raise thing as well. The raise to wake. I actually might want to turn that off because I hear it like reduces battery. Raise to wake, yeah. Just it wrecks the battery, or it doesn't wreck the battery. It drains it. And obviously, how hard is really pressing the home button? Let's be real. So yeah, I will, get the Speedo app installed and get Text Now installed. I mean, other than that, I don't know what apps to install, but yeah, nice. I got this. So, rock on.